Hello fellow travelers, it's Trey with Trey Tracy Travel, and I'm in the beautiful East African country of Kenya on a week-long safari with SKYIN, and I'm here with a few of my colleagues, and we are traveling around on what's called a familiarization trip, also kind of known as a research trip. And this is not a sponsored video, so let me start off by saying that SKYIN, who's the safari company we're with, they have no say in my video, so this is purely just footage from my trip that I wanted to share with you. So join me here in Kenya, and I'm specifically right now in Amboseli National Park. Over my shoulder is Mount Kilimanjaro, the beautiful mountain. Kind of hard to see right now because of all the clouds, but here on the ground you can actually see it. I think it's a little difficult here in the video, but join me as this week as we get to tour around some beautiful places and get to experience the culture, and we're diving deep into the experiencing all the animals here, all the culture. It's just a really beautiful destination, and so come join with me on our safari here in Kenya. Welcome to the Maasai village here a couple hours out from Nairobi. We're having partaken in a traditional welcome ceremony by the whole tribal people. They presented us with gifts, this necklace, bracelet, and capes, which they call shukas. And we got to dine with the chief and his translator, had a traditional meal with them, and got to learn about their way of life. And nothing about this experience was fake or put on or canned or anything. This is real experience. And SKYIN's the only safari company that does this. They have the rights, and the owner has developed such a relationship over the years with the tribal chief and his family, and they're the only company that's allowed to come do this. And again, it is an amazing experience. Nothing fake about this, nothing canned. Everything is very real here, and certainly makes you appreciate your own ways of life at home, appreciate what you have as you take a look around. And these people don't know different here, but it is a special opportunity to be welcomed and loved by this Maasai tribal village. This is Lake Naivasha, beautiful lake. It's a freshwater lake full of fish, lots of different species of birds, lots of animals here. We saw elephants, we saw giraffes, ostrich, water bucks, and really got to see hippos. So it was the must that we wanted to see today. So we got to see the hippos, a family of hippos. So that was really cool. Lots of beautiful birds. And a fun fact is this lake was used in the movie Out of Africa. There's an island called Crescent Lake. It used to be really a peninsula, but now the lake has risen over the years, and now it's just an island. And so a lot of animals out on that island that are actually safe from predators because they can't get off the island and nothing can come to the island. So just a neat little fact. But come join us as we're sailing around in one of these canoes like this. Actually has a little motor and some seats in it. So, but join us as we're looking around Lake Naivasha.
If you asked me to describe an African safari in one word, what word would that be? And I would have to say probably emotional. And what I mean by that is coming on one of these safaris, just a flood of emotions run through you from the amazing guide team that we have been with. Just they've been phenomenal. I realize this has been a familiarization trip, and we're travel agents, and the tour company is really wanting us to experience and work it, but they've not been fake about it. They've been genuinely showing the country they have a deep passion for, and it shows through everything they do, all the interactions. And the company we were with, SKYIN, you went to all these reserves, people knew who they were, and they're not a super old company. They've only been around about 10 years, but the owner somewhat grew up here in Kenya. He's got Kenyan family who are boots on the ground. He's got guides with him that have been there since day one. And one of the guides who toured us around and guided us around the whole week, he's been a guide for almost 40 years. Super great guy. And so being able to feel the genuineness and the passion from those guides pours over into you, because it really builds you up to want to experience and dive in to the culture even more. And then going to the Maasai tribal village. Oh, what an amazing experience. Really, I would just, part of that emotion there would be humility, just to step back and say, you know, my problems aren't that big when I see how these people are living in a mud hut. They're drinking from a dirty watering hole that they share with animals. They don't have much, but they have family, they have faith, they have community, and to them that is all they need. And they welcomed us with open arms. And let me tell you, it was not put on, and you could tell it was not put on. SKYIN owner Skylar Mason has developed such a relationship and has become family to this tribe, and they've become family to him. And so he wants to share that passion and share their culture with the people that tour with him. And that will pour over to you, and you just leave from that encampment just wanting to take a step back and go, wow. And just, you know, I wrote about it the other day on my social media, and it was so moving and so humbling. And then let's don't forget the animals. I mean, that's one of the reasons we come to Africa for safari, is to see the animals. And sure, a lot of these animals you can see while you're in the zoo, or at a zoo rather, but it's not the same to be able to see them in their homes, see them roaming across the savannas, the valleys, the mountains, seeing that Mount Kilimanjaro peek through the clouds, seeing the sunrises coming above the savannas or coming over the mountains. Just phenomenal. But those animals, it's nature. Yeah, it can be disturbing to some to see them jump on an animal, attack it, and eat it, but that's their life. They don't know better. That's the circle of life. And to see that up close to the point you can almost reach out and touch them is just something that is mind-blowing. And we were lucky enough to see the big five on this hunt, or rather not hunt because it wasn't a hunt, on this safari. In the last one we got to see, we didn't think we were going to make it, was a leopard. And we saw him or her, couldn't tell if it was a male or female because they were nesting up or sleeping up in the tree, but we got to see them in the last 10 minutes of our last game drive of this trip, and just the excitement that goes with that. So all that to say is emotional is the best word I can use to describe an African safari, because you're going to be flooded with different types of emotion. And I say all that also to say, if an African safari is on your bucket list, start planning now. And you know, I'd love to talk to you more about it, whether you use me as a travel advisor or not. Contact information is down in the description. Certainly would love to work with you, but I would still love to talk to you and share some of the passion that has come out of this for me, that has been shared by the locals who are also sharing it, their home and their hospitality and their way of life. So enjoy the rest of the video as we close out, and thank you for watching.